This video you'll learn about Microsoft 365, all about how it works and different stuff we can do with that. This is a very introductory video. So basically Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based productivity suite from Microsoft, which basically combines a lot of apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and a lot of AI tools. So it basically allows you to create, share, and work together from anywhere. So everything is hosted on cloud. So you can share, document, and you can work on it. So now with Microsoft Copilot, 365 also includes the AI assistant, which is very useful for doing AI sort of queries and getting information. Since everything is existing in the Microsoft ecosystem, so all your documents, everything is in one server, and then you can query based on what your requirement is. So that's what we are going to look at in this video. So here once you log in, then you have this sort of screen here. So first thing, it goes to Copilot, where you can ask about anything in your sort of ecosystem. And on the left side you have a set of the apps here, like notebooks, create, apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or the normal apps which you have. And you have OneDrive and Teams and whatnot. So each one you can have a look. Like here, when I click on the notebook, you have sort of when I say notebook, what it means, like it's like a sort of a remote computer where you can organize everything for yourself. And then that's the main idea of notebook. Then you have Word. As you know, Word is basically, you can create Word documents, edit, and those stuff. And then you have Excel sheet, is also online. You can create a lot of Excel sheets. PowerPoint is a presentation program where you can present stuff. Everything can be done on the cloud. Then you have OneDrive, which is where you store all your data, and Outlook is the email program. Teams is for communication, and OneNote is where you can write short notes like this here and then store it. So this is all gives you a seamless collaboration for all the applications. Like Word is for creating and editing documents, Excel is for working with data and spreadsheets. With Copilot you can analyze the data. That's the thing. You can, with Copilot, you can help you write. So with PowerPoint you can make presentations. Outlook is for emails. OneNote is for digital notebook for notes and drawings. And To Do is like just a task management app, and calendar. So for all these apps you can use Copilot to inquire about a certain data and use certain stuff there. First thing I'm going to try is this create. When you see create, when you click on that, what you will get is like a dashboard where you can create images. So that's from Microsoft, and they have like a different options: design a poster, create a form. Now you have this Google Banana. It's similar to that, like, but it existed even before Google Banana came. And you have also templates which you can like create images. All these were created by someone else, and then they just show it to you for like as an example. And you can also categorize based on what you want to do. You can add style. Like you can just, I'm not going to go into detail, but just give you an idea so that you can try it here. So you can add your style, and then, or you can add colors pattern. You can add a color pattern based on you want, or you can also select these sort of things. So that's about create. Then you have apps. In apps you have certain apps like which I just showed. Basically the designer, it's basically, when I say create, it's just going to the designer. So when I click Microsoft Designer, it will come here where you can create new designs. And then you have PowerPoint, Excel, which we know. There's also Clipchamp, which is like a clipping sort of image or animation sort of tool, where you can do a lot of stuff. Many people in your office or college, you might have this Microsoft already, and then people hardly don't use it because it's not advertised properly. First, especially these image creators, Google has given a lot of advertisement, but Microsoft has not. Microsoft has just kept it in their toolkit. And for example, BrandCake, you can explore this Clipchamp tool. Teams is for communication, and these are all the standard Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. So these are the basic apps which you have. Apart from that, you have something also here more like editor, forms, list, loop is very useful when you want to plan some things in the meeting, and it also links to Teams, which is like an excellent thing to do. And you have security, Microsoft Defender, groups you can create with people, and Power Automate and Power Apps is a separate topic nowadays. It's becoming quite area in itself. We'll look at that later. It syncs files to move and more to simplify your workflow. You have a reading coach, AI powered personal reading, Sway, create interactive reports to create reports and to do things. And you have Bing is a search, as we all know, family safety to protect options, MSN privacy and rewards. So these are some of the basic Microsoft 365 apps which you get default. If you have Office edition, it will be mostly paid edition, then you can use all these. So here you're looking at my Power Apps, which is like recent addition to their Microsoft suites. What it does is basically it is a low code or no code development platform which is created by Microsoft that allows users to build custom business applications quickly. You don't need to be a developer, or you don't need to do coding to develop applications or apps in the Microsoft Power Platform, which includes Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agents. Power BI has been there for a long time for data analysis, but Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, and Power Apps is something like bit recent. So what you can do is basically you can use AI and also develop applications, so small applications which is based on data. So the idea is Microsoft already holds a lot of data, like you will have Microsoft in your enterprise or school or college. So this will hold all your data in their cloud. So with these applications, what you can do is you can access that data and create it in the form of apps. So that is the main idea. For example, here to solve your business problems or sales, marketing, human resources, and instead of creating completely from source code, what they offer is something like you can just completely create new app. There's a developer plan and Power Apps premium plan. Build, test unlimited apps you can try for free. There are a lot of options which you can do, and this is also creating a new career path where you have like Power Apps developers are in requirement nowadays in many countries, where they are seeking to people who can know how to use and create these apps.